about the next trip we get to go on. And I wanted to film this video because I have a very specific way that I pack. It's neat and organized, and I pack this way if it's a long weekend or a 2-week trip. It's the same exact method. I start off by going around my room and collecting everything that I want to bring. Everything from undies to socks to jeans and shoes and hats. Whatever I want to bring for my weekend trip, I take out and I throw on my bed. That way I can look at everything all together, make sure that one shirt will go with more than one type of pants. That way I can utilize everything that I'm packing. For me, the ultimate game changer was packing cubes. You can get these off of Amazon for way less than $20, I think. And I've had these for a few years now. It's how I organize. I will look at all my clothes on the bed and I will see what I have the most of. And if I have the most of pajamas or workout gear, then I'll use the biggest cube. I roll them up and I align everything straight in a row, kind of like you're stacking up books, so you can look down and see everything that you have in your cube at once. I normally like to organize my gym clothes with my pajamas, all of my tops together, and all of my bottoms together.
Tonight we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Before you turn away, I just want you to know that I didn't throw your stuff away. Before you make up your mind that I'm nowhere to find, I'm standing right here.
For undergarments and socks, I use either a garment bag or, in this case, it's an old Tory Burch shoe bag. One of the best tips that I can give you is to purchase some clear bags. I got these off of Amazon as well, and I usually use 2. And one I use for my nighttime skincare routine, and the other one I pack up my makeup. The reason I suggest these is because I love being able to see everything in my clear bags. Super easy to find stuff, super easy to see if you forgot anything as well. This suitcase is from Calpak and it is the white marble. I got it in a set with a checked bag size as well, and I just fit my packing cubes in. And then anywhere else that I have room is where I add my shoes, my hair dryer, some more jackets, and then anything else that I need. And this is how I stay organized when I travel and how I can basically look inside my luggage and see pretty much everything that I've packed at once. I'm hoping to put this packing method to use very soon. And if you want to see some more organizational videos, comment down below. I would love to make them. And if you want to see more videos and updates, don't forget to subscribe.